Topic 4. Why copyright should be filed. So let us understand why copyright should be filed. What is the advantage for it? Definitely the biggest advantage is the economic benefit. So if I have a copyright of my own creation, I enjoy several rights. I can make copies of it. I can sell it to anyone. I can give translation rights to someone. If I have written a novel, I can give adaptation right to make a movie from my novel. So I can enjoy a lot of economic benefits by selling my rights. Second thing, I can also prevent people from copying my work. So if somebody is copying my painting or my photograph or my novel, I can go ahead and stop it because somebody else is trying to earn economic benefit at my cost. So that is where I get the biggest protection, that I can earn my economic benefits as well as prevent others from copying it and that way harming my commercial or and economic uh, rights or benefits. Now, is that so that we talk only about money? Creative people are much obsessed with their image also. And that is where copyright gives them a perfect protection. There's something called paternity right. So, paternity right says that the author must always be recognized. So, suppose I sell a translation right of my novel to somebody else. I have given the rights for translation, but the original author's name must be mentioned in that translation. So the idea is that author always gets recognition for what work they have created. This is called paternity right. You can never hide the author's name and claim it in your name. That is very important right given to the authors. Second is the integrity right. If I'm selling my work, that doesn't mean that you can do anything with it. See, suppose I sell you my painting, and you are a rich person, you buy my painting, and now you go ahead and display it near a garbage uh, uh, place, a garbage dump yard. Mainly, the objective is to humiliate me or whatever reason you have in your mind. I can go ahead and say that the way the painting is exhibited actually is violating my copyright because it is tarnishing my reputation. If I'm a story writer and I have sold my story rights to a film producer, and the film producer decides that okay, the story is very good, but let me make my own changes, and there is a complete change in the plot, but still the story is shown in your name. Yes, as a writer, you can go and always say that my copyright has been violated because what original story was there, the film producer has not been true to that story, and hence I reject this. It's a copyright violation. The film producer has no right to claim this work as based on my uh, story. He cannot claim that this film is based on story by this author. There's a other thing is also data privacy related. That is a privacy rights of author. Some work like photographs, you cannot publish it without author's permission. So these are the rights which are in addition to the economic rights. So both rights are there, economic right and author recognition related right. So we need to understand this difference clearly. So let us see what are the things we learned in this micro session. Copyright is an economic right for author's lifetime plus 60 years. Now, this could be 60 years or 70 years or 50 years. It depends on the country. Author can reproduce the work in any material form, issue copies, perform the work in public, give cinema rights, allow translation, adaptation, or even assign license or sell rights for others. Similarly, he can prevent or sue anyone who tries to copy his or her work. Large corporations are very much obsessive about their copyright because it is a big source of revenue for them. It would be interesting for you to know that US copyright laws have been amended twice to get Mickey Mouse remain as a copyright for Disney Corporation till 2023. I don't know what will happen after 2023. Disney has sued a company, very small company, which was organizing Star Wars theme parties, saying that the way they are representing the Star Wars characters, it is creating a brand erosion for them, and hence this kind of organizing of Star Wars theme parties is not allowed. So the third part, owner also get moral rights, which are covered as paternity right, integrity right, and privacy right. So we we take it that we get two types of right. One is the economic right, and another is moral rights. With this, we go to the topic 5, which is fair use of copyright. Now, this is also very important topic for copyright, fair